the second bit of exercise 1.5. And I have chosen the fourth sum. Right? Let's see what the sum is. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. First, let's analyze in which form it is. We need to go through the formulae. Which form it is? Yes, it is in the form n log x base a. Right? N log x base a is nothing but log x power n base a. Right? Here n log x is nothing but log x power n. And here base a is there, here base is not there. If base is not there, that means the base is 10. And when the base is not there, we need not bother about it. Right? Now, our whatever given data is, it is in the form n log x base a. So, we need to transfer it in this form. Right? So, it is log x power n. What's our x? 3. What's our n? What's our n here? Yes, 2. 3 power 2. So, base is not there. Ignore it, right? Minus. Again, this is also in the same form. N log x. N log x is nothing but log x power n. Right? So, this is log x. What's our x? 2 power. What's our n? 3. Right? And now, log 3 square. What is our 3 square? 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3. Right? Minus log. What's our 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2. Right? So, log 3 into 3 is log 9 minus log 8. Right? Now, look in which form it is. Look at the formula and have a guess what form it is in. It is in the form log x base a minus log y base a. What is log x base a minus log y base a? Log x base a minus log y base a is log x by y base a. The base is not there, so ignore it. Log 9 minus log 8 is nothing but log 9 by 8. This is the answer, right? Now we move on to the third sum. In the third sum, that also I have chosen the last question, right? In the third sum, we are given the data x equal to log 3 base 2 and y equal to log 5 base 2. This is a given data. And we are asked to find the value of log 6750 base 2. For this, firstly, we need to factorize. Right. Let's factorize 6750. What do we get? Now, is it divisible by 2? Yes, the last number is 0. So, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. Is it divisible by 3? More than that, it is divisible 5. It's clear. Last number is 5. So, let's go with 5. 5 6 are 30. 3 5 7s are 35. 2 5 5s are 25. Again, last number is 5. We can go with 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. Then 5 5s are 25. Again, last number 5 is there. So, let's go with 5. 5 2s are 10. 3 5 7s are 35. Neither 5 nor 0. So, we'll go with 3. 2 plus 7. Yes, it's 9. So, it's divisible by 3. So, 27 is divisible by 3. 3 how many times 27? 3 9s are 27. Again, 3 how many times 9? 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Right? So, log 6750 base 2 is nothing but log, let's write all the prime factors. 2 into, only 1 2 is there. And then 5. 1 2 3. 5 cube into again 1 2 3. 3 cube base 2. Right? And now, we need to see in which form it is in. So, which form it is in? Log AB base A, base x is equal to log A base x plus log B base x. That is, if it is in multiplication, we need to separately put log for each number and add them. Now here log A, B, C, three numbers are there. So what will you do? Log A plus log B plus log C. Right? Now, what will you do with this? Yes, log 2, this whole thing is in multiplication. Now we should put log for each number and put the plus symbol. So how will we do? Log 2 base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2. So we are applying this formula. These are in multiplication. We are putting log for each number and putting the plus symbol, that is adding all of them. Right? So what do we get? Log 2 base 2. I told you already, log 2 base 2 is nothing but 1. If the base and this number are same, the answer is 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Log A base A is 1. So log 2 base 2 is 1 plus. And here we are given the data. Log 3 base 2 is x. Log 5 base 2 is y. So here we have log 5 base 2. Here we have the powers, right? We have the powers. So which form is it in? It is in the form log x power n base a. How would we write it? N into log x base a. So how would we write it? 3 into log 5 base 2. Because there is a power, I am bringing the power to the front. Log 3 log 5 base 2 plus again here are the power. So 3 log 3 base 2. Clear? Because there is a power, I am bringing it to the front. Because we have a data for this. This we have to substitute with certain thing. We are taking it to that simplified form so that we can represent it in the form of these variables. Right? So this will give you 1 plus 3 into log 5 base 2 is nothing but y. So 3y plus log 3 base 2 is nothing but x. 3x. So this is your answer, as simple as that. On to the fourth bit, second question. Right? Log 128 by 625. How do we go about it? Firstly, factorize 128. 128. So it's divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So this is nothing but log. So first I am writing the factors, prime factors of 128. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 power 7. Right? And then 625. Let's factorize 625. So last digit is 5. Let's directly go with 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So 1 2 3 4. 5 power 4. Right? So here we see that in the form log x by y. So how do we make this? Log x by y, we write it as log x by y. How do we base a equal to log x base a minus log y base a. So log 2 power 7 by log 2 power 7 by 5 power 4 is nothing but log 2 power 7 minus log 5 power 4. Now in which form it is in? It is in the form log x power n. Log x power n is nothing but n log x. So log 2 power 7, how can we write? We can write it as 7 log 2 And log 5 power 4, how will we write this? As that's this minus, as it is we will write. And then how will we write log 5 power 4? 4 log 5. So this is the answer for this question. So these are the formulae. We can just block it. You can use a pencil and draw a box so that you can differentiate which formula have you used for that particular step. You can use a pencil and write, or after writing the formula you can block it with a pencil. Okay, so this is for our own clarification. We have a better idea that yes, we are sure that the step that I have done is correct. Hope this was useful to you and you could understand a bit about logarithms. I'll meet you again with the next questions. And remember, if you have any other clarification with any other sums, you just tag me with the exercise number and the number of the question. I'll try to prepare a video on that and help you learn mathematics better. Thank you.